Level 8, Upper Intermediate. The Three Little Pigs. 3 little pigs set out to build homes of their own. The first pig, who loved to play more than work, quickly built a straw house. The second pig built a stick house, which was stronger but still weak. The third pig worked carefully for many days and built a solid house of bricks. Soon, a hungry wolf appeared. He went to the straw house and demanded to be let in. When the pig refused, the wolf huffed and puffed and blew the house down. The pig ran to his brother's stick house. The wolf followed, and again, he blew the house down. Both pigs ran to the brick house. The wolf tried and tried, but no matter how hard he huffed and puffed, he could not blow it down. Exhausted and angry, the wolf went away. The 3 pigs celebrated in the brick house, knowing that hard work and effort had saved them.